How to download Alight Motion on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can download Alight Motion on PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up any browser and then search for Alight Motion for PC. Now head towards the first link, that is Alight Motion for PC. That's gonna take you to the official website of Alight Motion. Here, if you scroll down, there you will find download Alight Motion. You can click on it and that's gonna start to download in your device. But alternatively, you can also download BlueStacks, which is an emulator. So through the emulator, you can also install the Alight Motion in your PC or laptop. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.